Nancy Isime is a true powerhouse in Nigeria's entertainment industry. From her magnetic on-screen presence as an actress to her charming hosting abilities, and her powerful social media influence, Nancy has built an enviable brand, one rooted in talent, authenticity, and relentless dedication. Over the years, she has captured hearts, earned respect, and carved a space for herself among Africa's entertainment elite. Nancy's journey as an actress is nothing short of impressive. She possesses a unique ability to embody any character with depth, realism, and emotion, setting her apart as one of the most versatile talents in Nollywood today. Whether she is playing the role of a young, ambitious woman chasing dreams or a deeply emotional character dealing with life's many trials, Nancy delivers performances that stay with audiences long after the credits roll. In recent years, she has been a staple in some of the biggest Nollywood productions. Some of her latest works include Shantytown, 2023. Nancy played the pivotal role of Shalwa, a young woman trapped in the dangerous world of Lagos slums. Her performance was both gritty and moving, earning her critical acclaim and further cementing her status as one of Nollywood's finest. Abram, released in 2022. In this musical film, Nancy showed not only her acting prowess but also a surprising musical side. These projects, among others, have demonstrated Nancy's remarkable ability to bring authenticity and depth to every role she takes on. Aside from her acting career, Nancy Isime has also conquered the talk show space with The Nancy Isime Show. Launched in 2019, the show is a vibrant mix of celebrity interviews, games, inspiring stories, and entertainment. Over the seasons, Nancy has hosted a wide array of guests. Through her show, Nancy showcases not only her interviewing skills but also her warmth and humor, creating a space where celebrities feel relaxed enough to open up. The Nancy Isime Show has become a staple for fans who want to see their favorite stars in a more personal, playful light. Nancy's charm and professionalism have made her the go-to host for some of Nigeria's and Africa's biggest events. Over the years, she has been invited to host the Headies Awards, the Future Awards Africa, the AMVCA, Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards, Nominee Gala, Glow CAF Awards. Her ability to command the stage with elegance and connect with audiences effortlessly has made her a favorite among event organizers and audiences alike. Her hosting is never just about reading from a teleprompter. She brings an energy, a warmth, and a sense of occasion that elevates every event she touches. One of Nancy Isime's biggest strengths is the unwavering support she enjoys from her fans. Through her years of consistent hard work, authenticity, and engagement, Nancy has cultivated a loyal fan base that doesn't just admire her, they love her. Across her social media platforms, Nancy has amassed an impressive following. Her fan base, affectionately called Team Nancy, not only celebrate her wins but passionately support everything she endorses or champions. Whether she's announcing a new project, supporting a brand, or simply sharing personal milestones, her fans are always there to cheer her on. Nancy has intelligently leveraged her fan loyalty into a powerful influencing business. Brands recognize that working with Nancy means instant access to a loyal and responsive audience. Whether it's fashion brands, beauty companies, tech firms, or lifestyle products, Nancy's endorsements are seen as trustworthy by her fans, and this trust translates to results. Her collaborations are authentic, often crafted to feel like recommendations from a trusted friend rather than just paid advertisements. This authenticity is a key reason why brands are eager to have her represent them. They know Nancy's community will follow her lead enthusiastically. Thanks to her diverse streams of income, acting, hosting, and influencing, Nancy Isime has built considerable wealth. Her success story is one of strategic positioning, consistent growth, and smart business moves. In 2025, Nancy made headlines when she gifted herself a luxurious house in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria. The announcement sent waves of pride and excitement across her fan base. She shared pictures of her stunning new home, complete with elegant designs, plush interiors, and modern amenities, on her Instagram, and congratulatory messages poured in from fans, fellow celebrities, and admirers around the world. The house stands not just as a symbol of her financial success but as a testament to years of hard work, sacrifice, and unrelenting passion. Nancy Isime's story is a blueprint for what happens when talent meets hard work and strategic thinking. From commanding movie sets to lighting up stages, and dominating the influencing world, Nancy continues to soar higher, inspiring millions in Nigeria and across Africa. And judging by her current trajectory, the best is yet to come.